I'm Councillor Kate Wilson. I'm here with my fellow councillors in beautiful Yarragon at Factory Road, which is undergoing key infrastructure upgrades as part of our Capital Works program.
Hello, I'm Councillor Suzanne Allen. Construction for the Factory Road Bridges project began in January this year, and we're on track to finish by mid-May. The result will be 2 modern and reliable bridges to better meet the needs of our growing community for the years to come.
And g'day, I'm Councillor Jess Hamilton. This is a vital upgrade as this is the only route for residents and properties north of the bridges. That's why the new bridges are being built beside existing ones, allowing Factory Road to remain open throughout construction.
We've been working closely with our contractors Road and Bridges Proprietary Limited to replace the existing timber and steel bridges over the Moe River and Contour Drain with concrete structures. Factory Road bridges were outdated and overdue for replacement in order to stay safe for use and compliant with modern design standards.
This project is jointly funded by Council and the Federal Government's Safer Local Roads and Infrastructure program for a total investment of $1.73 million.
Hi, I'm Kunjan Nakre and I'm working as a Senior Project Engineer in the Infrastructure Delivery and Major Projects team. I have been working on this project since the design phase and it has been a great experience so far. Projects like these show us the importance of taking correct steps towards preserving our environment and also the impact these construction activities can have on the existence of endangered species if we don't take the right steps. These were the 2 of the last few timber bridges left in the Shire, and in the coming years we'll also have the replacement of further timber bridges, including one on East West Road in Darnley and one on Falls Road in Narratan.
Thanks again to our local residents for your patience and support throughout construction. We can't wait for you to experience the benefits of this upgrade. We've also been working closely with ecologists throughout the project to safeguard our natural environment and important local endangered species.
Identified species we've been working to protect include the Flinders pygmy perch, the growling grass frogs and the threatened Narratan burrowing crayfish, usually found right here in the Moe River and Contour Drain. Over 100 Flinders pygmy perch were safely relocated along with many crayfish and frogs, as well as a warrigal burrowing crayfish. This is not usually known to be found in this area.
This is an example of government working together to deliver smart, sustainable infrastructure for our growing community. If you want to stay updated on the latest news from Council, including more updates on Factory Road Bridge projects, make sure you're following us on socials.